I happened to take a couple of losses on Monday and Tuesday, so basically the first 2 days of the week. Remember, those first 2 days often determine what your whole week will actually be. Anyways, away from that, so I'm going to share some of the things that I actually learned from this. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy V Dollar. Back in today's video, I'm going to show you these mistakes, and I know most of you could actually be doing the same things because you have not actually seen what happens. Okay, I saw this and this is what I am going to bring straight to you. If you guys like the video, please make sure you thumbs up this video for the YouTube algorithm, and please make sure you subscribe. You can actually join our main Telegram community so you can actually always get these updates about our trades, our setups. The link is in the description below. We are going to slide to the chat straight away. I want to show you the mistake that I have actually been doing, but I never realized, but I still came to this point and I had to realize. So straight out, you guys know most times I am on the H4 time frame, but I'm actually getting my setups in, but this is not good anymore. What I'm going to tell you is you can always start from even bigger time frames like the daily, okay? Because I'm actually going to show you what happened to me. When you are on a bigger time frame like the daily, you are going to see things that you could have possibly not seen on the H4 or even on the H1, depending on whatever time frame you actually start up from. So this was GBP JPY, and you can see initially, of course, it was a good uptrend. Then we had a good downtrend. Then all of a sudden we reached this particular point here. Let me just stretch this. We reached this point here. You guys can see that, and of course we bounced off when we reached that particular point. As you guys can see, initially it was respected multiple times. Boom, once, we have one, we have two, we have three, and when the markets reached here, of course they had to bounce off. Anyways, that's what happened, and we pushed to the upside. Now reaching this level again, it bounced off. You guys need to take a look. There's something that I actually realized. So you can see initially this point was respected, and it again got respected on here. When you're on a smaller time frame, let's say like the H1, you wouldn't see this thing. So that's how we get caught up multiple times. You can see that this is on the hourly time frame. We actually have the point, it's here, but it's so hard to realize unless you are meant to look for it. But now see, getting the point respected, it means the markets had to bounce off. On bouncing off, we can see that the next key level that we were actually projecting at is again this level, because you guys can see we do not have any key level at the moment where we could say that okay, maybe the markets are going to reach here and then bounce off, maybe probably this point here, because I see it has this boom straight up. So we can see maybe it was respected once, twice. Still, on the other hand, we will expect our markets maybe to reach this point. Okay, so that's the next projection. What I did was I was on the H4 and I'd actually drawn a trend line. This is the problem that I personally actually went through. We had this point here. I'd drawn a trend line, and of course initially, since I was looking at a smaller time frame, I saw this was a boom to the uptrend, okay, going to the upside. So I thought that okay, maybe this could possibly be a bigger pullback, because I'd actually also drawn just a small key level right here. Let me delete this, because it was actually tested one time, two times, you know, and three times. So what I expected was, because I had this trend line on, I thought that okay, when we hit this level here, we are going to bounce back off to the upside. So I think I actually got a trade right here, and boom, got stopped out. That was the worst feeling. Let me show you guys. It's around this point, so I got a trade around here. Guess what? I got stopped out with the continuous push to the downtrend. You guys now may realize what the problem was and what my mistake was. I just looked at this short uptrend. It's actually not short, but I looked at it on a smaller time frame as compared to the bigger time frame that I was supposed to consider in the first place. If I was on the daily, I'd have actually seen my key levels. Of course, these were my 2 key levels. As you guys can see, boom, boom, boom. We can even go ahead and draw just a small trend line. So we have just a few points here. It's going to be a continuous downtrend, boom, 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 to the downside continuously. Just like right now, we just got a trade in. It's a sell, and we are still holding, because of course you guys know now it's a downtrend coming back for some pullbacks, downtrend coming back for a pullback. It has broken this small trend line. Now it's coming for a retest and boom, pushing to the downside. That's basically how you can actually always get some of these sniper super entries without doing the same mistakes that I did. Okay, so I'll see you guys in another video. I'm out.